Welcome, travelers. Maya here, bringing you the ultimate travel hacks. Whether you're on a train, flying high, road tripping, camping, or on a bike adventure, I've got the insider tips you need. Let's make your journey unforgettable. Traveling light is a smart strategy to make your trips easier, more comfortable, and often less expensive. Here are some tips for traveling light and without unnecessary luggage. Number 1, before you start packing, make a list of what you truly need during the trip. Focus on essentials such as clothing, personal hygiene items, and important devices. Choose versatile clothing. Select clothing items that lend themselves to multiple combinations. For instance, bring basic pieces that can be easily mixed and matched to create different outfits. Minimize clothing that requires special care. Number 3, reduce the number of shoes. Shoes can take up a lot of space in your suitcase. Try to bring only 2 pairs of shoes, one comfortable for walking and another pair, if necessary, for more formal occasions. Number 4, use the wash and wear principle. If your trip is long enough, plan to wash some clothing items during the journey. This will allow you to reduce the amount of clothing you need to bring with you. Reduce personal hygiene items. Purchase small reusable containers for shampoo, conditioner, and lotions instead of carrying bulky bottles. Consider buying multi-purpose products, such as a soap that can be used for both the body and hair. Number 6, use technology. Reduce the amount of physical documents you carry by using apps and online services for tickets, hotel reservations, maps, and tourist guides. Avoid non-essential items. Before putting anything in your suitcase, ask yourself if you really need it. Avoid bringing unnecessary items like books that you can read digitally or things you can easily purchase during the trip. Number 8, smaller suitcase. If you have a suitcase that's too large, you tend to fill it unnecessarily. Choose a smaller suitcase or backpack that forces you to make more judicious choices. Number 9, weigh your suitcase before departing. Make sure to adhere to the airline's weight limits to avoid additional fees for excess baggage. You can find small portable luggage scales on the market, which will be useful in avoiding unpleasant surprises at the baggage check. Number 10, embrace the art of less is more. In the end, remember that less luggage means less stress, less weight to drag around, and more freedom of movement during your journey. Well, by following these tips for traveling light, you can enjoy your trips more easily and comfortably, avoiding the unnecessary weight of baggage. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's share these experiences and explore the world together. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you on the next journey.